Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you into the wild side of motorcycling with something that completely redefines the word beast. This isn't just any motorcycle, it's a mechanical thunderstorm on two wheels. Say hello to the 2025 Boss Haas V8. If you've ever dreamed of strapping a muscle car engine between your legs and flying down the highway, this is your dream made real. Right off the bat, this machine grabs attention with its massive size. It doesn't look like a motorcycle, it looks like a street-legal rocket with handlebars. The long wheelbase, chrome-drenched bodywork, and heavy-duty cruiser stance scream power. From its stretched fuel tank to its wide rear tire, every inch is unapologetically aggressive. You've got dual chrome exhausts that practically roar every time you breathe on the throttle, and the detailing on this 2025 model, absolutely immaculate. Everything feels like it was carved out of Detroit steel. Swing your leg over and you'll feel it. The bike's sheer presence is overwhelming. The seat is wide and low, offering comfort that matches its torque-hungry character. You're sitting behind a clean yet intimidating dash that's been upgraded for 2025 with digital readouts embedded into a retro analog cluster. Simple controls, high-end grips, and enough chrome to blind someone on a sunny day. This cockpit was made to make you feel like a highway king. And despite its size, Boss Haas has kept rider comfort in mind, giving you surprisingly smooth ergonomics for longer rides. Now let's talk about the real monster under the tank. This bike is powered by a GM V8 engine, yes, an actual small block V8, just like what you'd find in a Corvette. The 2025 version comes with options for both the 6.2L and a terrifying 7.4L, pushing anywhere from 445 horsepower to a neck-snapping 563 horsepower. That's not a typo. And with torque figures that can outpull pickup trucks, this isn't a motorcycle you ride, it's one you hang on to. The acceleration is surreal. It doesn't jump off the line, it launches like a dragster. And despite the insane power, the handling is surprisingly stable at cruising speeds thanks to its low center of gravity and custom frame geometry. Still, don't expect to carve tight canyon roads. This is built for straight-line madness and open road domination. Braking power is beefed up to match, with dual front discs and a rear system designed to control the chaos. The suspension has been slightly retuned for 2025, offering a more composed feel without sacrificing the raw, visceral experience Boss Haas fans love. When you fire up the Boss Haas V8, it doesn't just start, it awakens like a sleeping giant, with a growl that rattles the pavement. It's not the kind of bike you sneak out with at night. It announces itself 3 blocks away. Every twist of the throttle feels like you're holding back a hurricane, and the vibrations through the bars remind you that this isn't a toy. It's a fire-breathing muscle machine dressed in chrome and attitude. Asterisk, it's the kind of ride that doesn't ask for attention, it demands it, turning every street into a stage and every head in your direction. That's for pricing. The 2025 Boss Haas V8 doesn't come cheap, but would you expect it to? Starting at around $65,000 for the base V8 model, and climbing well past $75,000 for the premium trims with custom finishes and performance upgrades. It's not for the faint-hearted or the light-hearted, but for those who crave extreme engineering and unrivaled street presence. Every dollar spent feels like buying a piece of rebellion. If you're into loud, fast, and unmistakably American power, this machine isn't just a bike, it's a statement. It's over the top, it's excessive, and it's absolutely unforgettable. The 2025 Boss Haas V8 is for those who don't just want to ride, they want to own the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping machines like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride loud, and stay unstoppable.